Unlocking potential. Mastering, able to do something in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrase in the English language, able to do something. This phrase is essential for expressing ability, possibility, and permission in a variety of situations. Stick around to master how to use it effectively and sound more like a native speaker. Able to do something is a phrase used to express the capacity, ability, or power to perform an action. It is similar in meaning to can, but is often used in different contexts or to sound more formal. For example, saying, "I am able to swim," communicates that you have the ability to swim. Key points to remember. It is used with the verb to be, am, is, are, was, were, depending on the subject. It can be used in various tenses by changing the form of to be. It often implies a sense of capability or suitability for a specific task or situation. 1. Future plans and possibilities. When talking about future abilities or possibilities. E.g., she will be able to drive once she gets her license. 2. Past abilities, especially in situations where could doesn't fit. E.g., he was able to finish the project on time, despite the challenges. 3. Formal contexts. It's preferred in more formal or professional settings. E.g., we are able to provide comprehensive support to our clients. Positive sentences. Simply use the correct form of to be, followed by able to, and the main verb. E.g., they are able to solve complex problems. Negative sentences. Add not after the form of to be. E.g., I am not able to attend the meeting tomorrow. Questions. Invert the subject and the form of to be. E.g., are you able to help me with this? 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of to be able to. A. By next year, I blank to be able to speak Spanish fluently. B. Yesterday, we blank not to be able to enter the museum because it was closed. 2. Convert these sentences using can or could to be able to. A. Can you see the difference? B. I could hear the music from across the street. And that's a wrap on able to do something. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to incorporate this phrase into your daily English conversations and written communications. It will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your ability to express capabilities more precisely. We hope this video has been enlightening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.